In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a folder in Proton Mail 2026. Let's get started by signing into your Proton Mail account in a web browser. Once you're in your inbox, look over to the left side of the screen. That's your mailbox sidebar. If it's collapsed, expand it so you can see everything clearly. In this area, you'll find a section called Folders. This is different from labels. Folders hold messages in one place, while labels let you tag messages without moving them. Find the folder you want to rename in that folder's list. When you hover your mouse over the folder's name, a small gear icon appears next to it. If you don't see the gear, try moving your cursor directly over the folder name or widen the sidebar slightly so all icons are visible. Now click that gear icon to open the folder's settings. You'll be taken to the Folders and Labels settings page with the details for the folder you selected in focus. Look for the folder name field. Next to it, you should see an edit option or a pencil icon. Click Edit to make the name field active. Go ahead and delete the current folder name. Don't worry, renaming a folder won't remove or move any of the emails inside it. All your messages stay exactly where they are. You're just changing the label that appears in the sidebar. Type the new name you want to use. Choose something clear and specific so you'll recognize it at a glance. If Proton Mail flags the name or the save button stays inactive, it usually means that name is already in use or not allowed, so try a small variation. Take a second to double check spelling here. It's easier to correct it now than later. When you're happy with the new name, click Save. The change should apply immediately. You'll see the updated folder name appear back in the left sidebar. If it doesn't show up right away, a quick refresh of the page or switching to another mailbox view and back will usually do the trick. The new name will also sync across your other devices that use the same Proton Mail account. That's all there is to it. You opened Proton Mail, found your folder in the sidebar, opened its settings with the gear icon, edited the folder name, and saved your changes. Your messages remain intact, your filters and rules keep working, and your inbox stays organized under the new name. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined Proton Mail setup.